Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video there is a job opportunity from 4 MNC companies. So let's get started. Viewers, first 09 Solutions, and they are hiring Python developer position, work location Hyderabad. In order to apply for this position, eligibility criteria is bachelor degree or above in computer science or similar, minimum 2 years experience in programming, candidate need to possess excellent communication skills, good knowledge of working Hadoop, strong analytical algorithm skills, knowledge of statistics will be a plus, strong programming skills, experience in writing, performance optimized code, working over very large data sets. So experience in R, Python, hand-on experience in data structure and algorithms. So candidates who are interested, mainly eligible, can apply for this position. And yes, next KPMG is hiring yes, and they are hiring analyst, cyber security campus, and completely it's about cyber security, and as well as responsibilities includes execute cyber security engagement, ready to manage simultaneous cyber security assignments, perform various security assessment activities as per KPMG approach, perform tool based as well as manual security assessment activities, and prepare detailed reports as per agreed templates. So the candidate need to possess excellent communication skills with relevant degree, and if you have a experience and if you completed your graduation, you are eligible for this position. Work as a team and help mentor and guide peers when they are need. Work independently and work with the team to reach your goals. Engage with client stakeholders, explain them cyber risk reported, and help them to mitigate the same by providing appropriate recommendations. Conduct knowledge by sharing sessions, technical training sessions for internal team members and client teams. So when you are successfully completed any project, you need to share your opinion also with your peers and members. So web, mobile, thick client application security testing, telecom security, cloud security, cyber threat intel. So our work includes all these things, and obviously candidate need to have excellent communication skills, strong client facing skills, and as well as selection process includes candidate should be expert in 2 to 3 rounds of interview. So we are having totally 3 rounds. If you qualify any 2 rounds, you will be placed in the position. So those who are interested, mainly eligible, can apply for this position viewers, and they are preferring bachelors of engineering, bachelors of technology, computer science, information science, and as well as you need to secure at least 60% marks in all your academics like 10th, inter and graduation without any active backlogs. So interested candidates can apply for this position. Vias next, InSync company is hiring, and Vias currently there are many openings in InSync company. So they are hiring public relation professional, and as well as and those who have completed degree in mass communication, English, mass media, journalism are eligible for this position. And next we had legal executive position vias, and same vias who completed their graduation from concerned stream are eligible for this position. Simultaneously we had Spotify developer, junior system developer, digital marketer, front end developer, channel sales, mobile app developer, software engineering, trainee software engineering, ERP solution consultant, senior ASP developer. So in consent field you need to complete your degree. Freshers and experience both can apply for these positions. So those who are interested, mainly eligible, can apply for this position. For further reference, I am going to provide a link in the description where you can see entire details and apply for particular position which is suited for you. Vyas last KPIT's company is going to hire viewers, and this is a super opportunity because they are hiring freshers, especially for freshers. They are preferring 2021 batch, only students from current batch, BE BTech, and as well as like who are in 7th and 8th sem can also apply. This challenge is open for top 100 National Institute ranking framework colleges, and candidates need to secure at least 70% marks in their academics, like in the 10th inter. And yes, in engineering in your 6th sem you need to secure 70% marks. Should not having any backlogs. Yes, BE BTech specialization students in electronics, communication engineering, electrical and electronic engineering, instrumentation engineering will be preferred. Other branches like CSC, IT, mechanical, all other branches can apply for this role too after undergoing the pre-filtration round. Please refer challenge process below. So even they mention challenge process, so they mention each and every detail very clearly. So this is a very super duper opportunity. Yes, job location is like Pune and Bangalore, and CTC is 3,60,000 to 5,50,000 per annum, and even candidate need to possess excellent skills in C, C++, and as well as knowledge in MS Office, strong communication skills, should be confident, ability to articulate well and have good clarity of thoughts, willingness to learn and innovate. So these are the complete details of this position viewers. Further for a test, please do refer the notification ones because they are given each and every step very clearly. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people, and all the best for your upcoming interviews, and thank you very much.